It's finally here. Hey, it's Dwight Cliff Jr. here, one half of Cliff and Cliff. Yeah. So I just bought a, a steel platform cart for just moving heavy objects on job sites and also here at the office. It can be a pain to carry a lot of this shit around in the office. Sorry for my language, but a lot of this stuff around the office and such. And so, yeah, we bought this cart. It's 2 foot 24 inches, about 48 inches long, 4 foot by 2. It has a carrying capacity of 2,000 pounds. It got 6-inch or 4-inch rubber tires. I can't really remember. But we paid like $187 for it, another $13 in shipping, I believe. But we just got it here. I'm going to open it up, man, and try it out. Let's see what we got. So it arrived a bit damaged here. See, we got our handle here. It's in this box. All right. Got a rubber caster. Yeah, there it's 6-inch. And so, we got a strong smell on this stuff here. But this frame is power coated. Everything's power coated. I'm gonna shut this camera off here. It is currently 12:13. 12:13. So I'm gonna jump on putting this together and see how long it takes me. I'll jump back on here once it's all put together and kind of walk you through what I did. So the first thing that I'm kind of running into is they sent 2 different types of casters. And what you'll see right here is that they sent these casters that turn and the stationary casters that, well, I should say fixed. Sorry. They sent these fixed casters that are welded. And so what you're going to want to do is put the fixed casters on the back if you plan on being able to pull this cart and guide it by pulling it versus pushing it. And so that's how we plan on using it. We plan on being able to pull this cart around to kind of get to where we need to go. So we need to put, they went ahead and left all the shipped this thing with the bolts into the frame already. So we just need to go around and pull all these bolts out. And that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna pull these bolts out. Then I'm gonna get these casters installed again. I'm gonna put these casters, the ones that are, that can rotate, on the back of the frame. The fixed caster, sorry, on the front. So that's what we're gonna do. But while you're putting this together, what you want to do is you don't want to tighten up all your bolts at once. You want to try to just get them started so that you got some room to maneuver, because these screws are kind of tight. Like to line these things up are pretty tight. So just want to make sure that you just get them started, and that's it. Just get them started. I'm working on this one now. I don't have it bolted in yet. I'm just going to get all of them started. So there you have it, the hand truck, steel platform truck, in all its glory. I think it's called Vestil platform truck, steel platform truck. All in all, it took me about, it is now 12:40. Well, really I finished about a few minutes ago. So really, it's 12:42 now. I finished about 5 minutes ago. So we're thinking quick 20 to 30 minute put together. It ain't too bad. So there you have it. I'm gonna put it to work real quick and show you what it can do. And here she is in action. We just got her loaded right now to be able to move material across our floor without having to keep moving this stack of wood. And so she's doing pretty well. With enough force, she'll move. But so far so good, and we like our purchase and we're happy with it.